Good morning, it's Wick Nixon here from Wicked Wellbeing, and I'm all about healthy eating made easy. Coming to you live every Thursday morning at 9:30, just giving you something quick and easy using seasonal produce that is suitable for yourself and your whole family. My passion is showing you that healthy eating is, firstly, it's not expensive, it's achievable, but it's delicious. So I'm just doing things, swapping things up a little bit today. I'm recording from my laptop because my phone has been really fuzzy. So I'm just trying to see if this makes any difference. So today I'm making a basil vinaigrette because I have got so much fresh basil in the garden. Like, I've got 3 or 4 plants out there, and I know it's coming to the end of the season, and I want to do something with it because basil is just my absolute favorite. So I've got some already made here. It's it's dairy-free, gluten-free, nut-free, but not free of taste. It is so delicious. And also it's got 4 serves of vegetables in it. So I'm going to show you how I achieve that. So into my food processor, I'm going to put about 2 cups of freshly packed basil leaves. See. And if you haven't got a food processor, you could do this in a NutriBullet. If you've got like one of those happy choppers, or that Tupperware or the likes have got that sort of thing, it would work in that as well. So we're just going to put a little pinch of salt. This recipe is on my website, wickedwellbeing.com. /recipes, and I've just added it up into there. And then we've got a large clove of garlic. I'm going to put about a tablespoon of lemon juice in here. So this, once it's made, store in a glass jar, and it'll last up to about 5 days in the fridge, and I'm sure you could even push it a little bit longer. Okay, what next? About 1/3 of a cup of oil. So I'm just using a good quality olive oil here. You can play around with the thickness or the consistency that you want. And then 1 tablespoon of red wine vinegar. Just gives it that beautiful tartness. A good grinding of black pepper. And the key ingredient is to get the extra 3 serves of vegetables. If you've been following me for a while, you would have known that I absolutely love this product from Nutrient Rescue. They actually do a red shot powder as well, but this is the green shot powder, and founded by the guy who founded Cookie Time, Michael Mayer, and he just wants the world to up their fruit and veggie content and dial down dairy and meat products. And so he's made it into this really convenient powder, which is just straight vegetables. And the red shot powder is straight, just fruit and antioxidants, like really powerful combination of antioxidants. So 1 teaspoon of this green shot powder is equivalent to 3 serves of vegetables. So I've got my 1 serve of basil here, 1 teaspoon of this, that adds in 3 serves of vegetables, and it just so intensifies the flavor as well. So I'm going to add in that. So I actually sprinkle a teaspoon of the red and the green straight into my cereal, because I've been having it for a long time. Other ways that you can have it in a shot of coconut water, and you just shake it up and just knock it back. Or you can put it in a cooking. Like, this powder is really good into basil pesto, or you can put it into smoothies or omelets, or sprinkled onto salads. Honestly, the world is your oyster how you are creative enough to use it. Alrighty, so I'm going to turn that on. So that needs just a little bit more oil in there, just to make it a little bit more liquid. I'm just going to add a little bit more in there. Now, if you wanted to try the Nutrient Rescue products, I have got a relationship with them where all of my customers get a 15% discount. So if you want to try them, head to www.nutrientrescue.nz and then /WN1, and 15% will be automatically deducted at checkout, so you don't have to enter in a code. Hi, Miriam. I'll answer your question. The other beauty about being on my laptop is I can actually see the question, so I'm loving that. So Miriam has asked, what was the brand of the green shot powder? I'm going to put the link in the text of this video, so it's Nutrient Rescue. So, and then I just shared the link that if you want a 15% discount, it's nutrientrescue.nz /WN1, and that will give you 15% off, and it's for ongoing orders as well. So I'll post that link, Miriam, as well. So I like more of a thicker texture than a more runnier texture. So this is how I'm going to leave it, but that's up to you if you want to make it runnier. So ways that you can use this. We're having steak for dinner tonight, so I'm just going to add that on as a condiment and pour it over the top. You could use it, stir it through zoodles, zucchini noodles. You could put it into, use it as a dressing just onto salads, thin it down a little bit more and put it onto salads. You could even be creative and put it over a block of feta and serve it as a nibble, with crackers. And there's just lots. You could put it into a omelette. You could put it into scrambled eggs. There's just so many different ways that you can use it. So there you have it. This is a beautiful basil vinaigrette. If you are anything like me and you've got mountains coming out of your garden, this is a really, really lovely, fresh, creative way to use it. Thank you so much. It's Wick Nixon from Wicked Wellbeing. I'll post that link to the Nutrient Rescue so that you can give that a go, and I'll look forward to seeing you next week. Take care.